one of the big issues with fire development is you can get embers produced from that fire that will be transported in front of the fire front, and they can start spot fires, and also which can increase the rate of spread and size of that fire. The work through the CRC and the CSIRO, what they've been looking at is the success of those embers that are taken and the type of vegetation where those embers or firebrands can be produced from the fire, and when they land into a fuel bed, how successful is that going to be? What we can get from this research is a better understanding of if we understand what the fuel moisture is, we can get a better understanding of the times and the areas in the landscape that we could have problems for embers. This will then help us with patrol and monitoring during a fire, and for our crews and resources to better understand where they might need to be to suppress and manage these spot fires, as well as warning communities as to the effects of these embers. If we have a better understanding of that development phase of a fire, we can provide much more realistic and accurate estimates to communities on the time of fire impact. Another part of this research has been looking at quite a difficult problem that we've had in analysing and understanding fire development. The work that's been done through the CSIRO is looking at what is that timing of development of that initial ignition of that fire, and how many minutes, hours does it take until that fire reaches that maximum rate of spread. And with a better understanding of fire development, this can help us understand the sort of weight of resource we might need for suppression, as well as how potentially successful our initial first attack is going to be on that fire.